We have been eating bread for more than 14,000 years after all. However, you are undoubtedly aware by now that there are certain health hazards associated with this basic cuisine. The majority of bread types are high in carbohydrates and frequently have a significant quantity of added sugar. Indeed, bread is a big contributor to the diabetes epidemic, according to a number of nutrition specialists. Does that imply that you must fully stop eating bread? Not precisely. Don't worry just yet. However, you may need to reevaluate your bread selections. There are excellent substitutes available that offer some amazing health advantages in addition to controlling your blood sugar. Yes, we are presenting to you 8 bread alternatives and solutions that are suitable for people with diabetes today. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up before we get started. We at Diabetes Health are providing you with amazing information to improve your quality of life while living with diabetes. So stay tuned to find out how to eat bread without sacrificing your health. Let's prepare to learn about the amazing white bread that works with dough. Using this timeless classic, how many sandwiches have you made? More than you can count, most likely. You probably already know, however, that white bread is not the best option for diabetics. White bread is a surefire way to cause blood sugar increases because of its high carbohydrate content, added sugars, and extremely high glycemic index. Made from highly refined processed flour, this seemingly harmless staple is frequently loaded with added sugars. It's understandable why it's considered to be among the worst options for those with diabetes. Consuming these straightforward high-sugar carbohydrates can raise your risk of type 2 diabetes and cause weight gain even if you do not currently have the disease. But don't give up. The news is good. Bread and bread-like substitutes are still available and can be very beneficial to your health. Yes, bread doesn't have to be entirely avoided, even if you're controlling erratic blood sugar levels. Now let's get started and examine the top 8 bread substitutes for diabetics. 1. Tortillas made with whole wheat. Did you believe that diabetics couldn't eat tortillas? It's time to think again. Selecting tortilla wraps made entirely of healthy grains can have some unexpected health advantages. Whole grain tortillas preserve the entire grain, including the nutrient-dense germ at the center, the starchy middle layer known as the endosperm, and the fiber-rich outer bran. This indicates that they are a great source of fiber and vital nutrients. Studies have repeatedly emphasized the benefits of whole grains. For instance, research indicates that they can help prevent heart disease, lower the risk of diabetes, and fight obesity. According to a new study in nutrition, metabolism, and cardiovascular diseases, those who ate only 2.5 servings of whole grains per day experienced a remarkable 21% reduction in their chance of having a heart attack. In particular, whole wheat tortillas are nutrient-dense, high in potassium, calcium, and iron. About 92 calories, less than half a gram of fat, 19.5 grams of carbohydrates, and 2.5 grams of fiber are found in one whole grain tortilla. In contrast, 2 slices of white bread might have more than 25 grams of carbohydrates, 132 calories, and only 1 gram of fiber. Making the switch from your usual white bread sandwich to a whole wheat wrap is not only a minor adjustment, but it also has major health benefits. However, if you're concerned about controlling your blood sugar, you should avoid tortillas produced with corn or white flour. These types may include added sugars and harmful fats, and they are frequently lower in fiber and protein and higher in starch. Therefore, the next time you're craving a sandwich, go for a healthy 100% whole wheat wrap rather than the high-carb white bread. It's an easy approach to savor your food and maintain your health objectives. 2. Bread of Ezekiel. Does someone by the name of Ezekiel make Ezekiel bread? Absolutely not. This bread is ideal for diabetics who want to stay away from refined white bread because it is low in carbohydrates, cholesterol, and flour. Its name truly comes from the Bible, specifically Ezekiel 4.9, and it is produced from sprouted entire grains. Take wheat, barley, beans, lentils, millet, and spelt, put them in a jar, and use them to create bread for yourself, says the verse. Ezekiel bread has a lot of nutrients. B vitamins, folic acid, and vital minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium are all abundant in it. But the sprouting process is where the true magic happens. By breaking down the starches in the grains, Sprouting lowers the total amount of carbohydrates. Additionally, it improves nutrient absorption, which enables your body to absorb those essential minerals more effectively. Furthermore, compared to their unsprouted counterparts, sprouted grains generate more natural antioxidants. About 80 calories, 4 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbohydrates, and 3 grams of fiber are included in one slice of Ezekiel bread. Although it contains carbohydrates, the fiber and protein assist to reduce the amount of insulin your body produces. Ezekiel bread's low glycemic index score of 36, which classifies it as a low GI item, is what really makes it stand out. For diabetics who wish to enjoy a healthy sandwich alternative without worrying about severe blood sugar rises, Ezekiel bread and other sprouted grain variants are a fantastic option because of these advantages. Lettuce wraps come in third. Did you know that in the past, Persian monarchy regarded lettuce as a delicacy? Even while lettuce doesn't have the same royal aura these days, it still has a certain allure. It can be made into an enjoyable and filling vegetarian wrap substitute. People who routinely eat leafy greens, such as lettuce, are less likely to acquire type 2 diabetes, per a 2004 study published in Diabetes Care. Regular consumption of lettuce may also help lower the risk of heart attacks and arterial stiffness. Lettuce is naturally high in vitamins and vital elements and low in calories and carbs. A cup of lettuce typically has only 8 calories, no cholesterol, and fewer than 2 grams of carbohydrates. It also offers trace levels of potassium, calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin A. The big outside leaves of iceberg lettuce are a great alternative to tortillas or pita bread. However, romaine lettuce is a great option if you want a little texture and a nutritional boost. Compared to its iceberg counterpart, this kind is more vitamin and mineral rich. Whichever kind of lettuce you choose, you'll be giving your body some amazing nutrition and reducing the amount of unneeded carbohydrates. Almond bread is number 4. This is a white. Searching for a bread substitute that goes above and beyond the typical options? Almond bread could be the solution. What distinguishes it then? The flour holds the key. Almond flour is far lower in sugar and carbohydrates than regular wheat flour, and it has a very low glycemic index, or GI, of less than 1. Because of its high calorie and fat content, almond bread may initially appear to be a less healthful choice. About 250 calories and more than 10 grams of fat are found in 2 slices. However, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are heart healthy, account for the majority of this fat. Additionally, those same 2 slices have a great carb-to-fiber ratio because they only contain roughly 8 grams of carbohydrates and 4 grams of fiber. Because of this, almond bread is more better for controlling blood sugar than regular white bread. Almond flour is rich in calcium, iron, manganese, potassium, and vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that is believed to promote brain health, in addition to carbohydrates and fiber. Additionally, it's a great source of magnesium, which studies have shown is essential for controlling blood sugar levels. Almond bread slows digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer because of its high protein, fat, and fiber content, all of which contribute to stable blood sugar levels. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video useful. This will greatly aid in the dissemination of our diabetic health message. Let's return to the list immediately. 5. Buns with portobello mushrooms. Do you wish to avoid the usual white bread buns, but yet have a need for those succulent, delicious burgers? This is a great non-bread substitute that may end up becoming your new favorite. The portobello mushroom comes next. It is the perfect low-carb, diabetes-friendly burger bun because of its thick texture and deep, earthy flavor. Just 22 calories, 2 grams of protein, 4.25 grams of total carbohydrates, and 1.3 grams of fiber are found in one portobello mushroom. It is the ideal option for controlling blood sugar levels because of its exceptional carb-to-fiber ratio, which yields a glycemic index score near 0. Rich in nutrients, portobello mushrooms provide roughly the same amount of vitamin D, manganese, phosphorus, and potassium as a medium-sized banana. Additionally, they contain a lot of betaine, a substance that may lower the risk of fatty liver disease. Additionally, portobellos contain ergothioneine, a potent antioxidant that may aid in bringing blood sugar levels back to normal. Since water makes up around 90% of a portobello mushroom, it also aids with hydration. These mushrooms can become a little messy and challenging to hold though. However, if you're prepared to accept the portobello as your new go-to burger bread, you'll be providing your body with some incredible health advantages. 6. Sandwiches with bell peppers. Capsicums, another name for bell peppers, are a group of colorful vegetables. Whichever one you choose, you'll be getting a potent taste and a good dosage of nutrients. Bell peppers are excellent for staying hydrated because they contain more than 90% water. Raw bell peppers have only 31 calories, 1 gram of protein, 6 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Bell peppers have a low glycemic index of about 15, which makes them a great option for blood sugar control due to their favorable carb-to-fiber ratio. Bell peppers are rich in vitamins and minerals that may improve general health in addition to adding taste without raising blood sugar levels. Because of their high antioxidant content, bell peppers may even help reduce the risk of heart disease and several types of cancer, according to research. For instance, over 170% of the daily required consumption of vitamin C can be found in a medium-sized red bell pepper. They are also an excellent source of vitamin A, beta-carotene, which is good for your eyes, potassium, which is good for your heart, and vitamin B6, pyridoxine, which helps make red blood cells. Just cut bell peppers in half and remove the seeds to use them as a bread substitute. You now have a crunchy, low-calorie, low-carb alternative to bread. Why not try making your next vegetable sandwich with bell peppers? They're full of nutrients. 7. Roll-ups of eggplant. Were you aware that they are known as aubergines in Europe? Here, however, they are referred to as eggplants. Here's something intriguing too. Water makes up more than 95% of eggplants. Cubed eggplant offers only 20 calories per cup and has no cholesterol at all. Eggplant's remarkable carb-to-fiber ratio, just 4.8 grams of carbohydrates and 2.4 grams of fiber, makes it a great low GI bread substitute that can still help lower blood sugar and even aid in weight loss. Furthermore, 1 cup of eggplants can provide you with 10% of your daily manganese requirements. They are also a great source of vitamin C, B6, and K. They also include phytonutrients like niacin and chlorogenic acid, which may help lower the risk of heart disease and protect against cancer, as well as potent antioxidants like anthocyanins. Do you want a quick snack? After slicing the eggplant into long strips, season them and bake them for 15 minutes. You may then wrap them around your preferred nutritious sandwich fillings. 8. Subs with cucumbers. Here's something interesting. Water makes up 95% of cucumbers. Don't be fooled by it though. Vitamin C, folate, vitamin B9, vitamin K, beta-carotene, potassium, and magnesium are just a few of the vital vitamins and minerals that are abundant in this vegetable. Another excellent low GI food that can help with blood sugar regulation is cucumbers, which have only 16 calories per cup and about 4 grams of carbohydrates. In addition, cucumbers can minimize the risk of stroke, improve hydration, and even lessen inflammation. According to research, the anti-inflammatory properties of cucumbers may aid in waste elimination and even reduce skin irritation. It's really easy to substitute cucumbers for bread. Simply cut one in half, remove the seeds, and then fill it with your preferred sandwich ingredients. There you have it, a nutritious, low-calorie, and cool alternative to your typical sandwich bread. Concluding remarks. That's it. Here are 8 excellent bread substitutes for diabetes. Have you tried any of these healthy diabetic management substitutions yet? What is your preferred white bread substitute? Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. Remember to click the link in the description to view more of our connected videos. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Our goal at Diabetes Health is to provide you with the finest advice possible to help you manage your diabetes and fight obesity. Have a good, healthy day, and thanks for watching.